Hey everybody, it's Sean here, back today to give you guys a closer look at my custom Mickey Mouse Nike SB Dunk Lows. Anyone that knows me knows I'm a pretty big fan of Mickey Mouse and specifically Disneyland and Disney World. Despite living in Canada, I've been to Disneyland and Disney World so many times in my life, and I even went to Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea last year. So long story short, I always wanted Disney and Nike to collaborate together to release some sort of Mickey Mouse shoe. So I eventually just decided to take matters into my own hands and create my very own custom inspired by Mickey Mouse. So first things first, the base sneaker that I used was the Butthead Nike SB Dunk Lows. This was part of the Beavis and Butthead pack, which to be honest isn't the most popular dunk low that Nike SB has released. Still, when I saw this pair available for sale, the first thing I thought of was Mickey Mouse. So I grabbed this pair over at Shoe Pugs, who are located in California, so a big shout out over to those guys. So without further ado, let's jump straight into it and I'll give you guys a closer look. So the entire front portion of the shoe, the entire toe box, this is covered in this red colored suede. And to me, this resembles Mickey Mouse's pants. Moving downwards, the entire back end of the shoe, this is covered in a black colored suede, which of course looks like Mickey Mouse's skin. Overlaid on top on both sides of the shoe, we have a shiny yellow leather swoosh, which look like Mickey Mouse's shoes. On the back heel, you'll see we also have the word Nike, which is embroidered in that same yellow color. And then for added effect, I ironed on a Mickey Mouse glove patch, which was custom made for me by a good friend of mine, Sneak Prince. I'll link his Instagram down in the description box below for anyone that wants to check out his work. For the laces, I swapped out the default laces, and in its place, I added in these white SB laces, which lightens up the shoe a little bit and gives it a bit more of that Mickey Mouse vibe. Underneath the laces, we have your signature stuffed SB Dunk tongue, and at the very top, we have this Nike SB tag, which is done in a combination of black and yellow. Pulling out the insoles, these come with a black colored insole with Nike SB and Zoom Air branding stamped on the heel in yellow. On the other side of the insole, of course, we have your signature Nike Zoom Air unit for added comfort and cushioning. The upper of these Mickey Mouse Dunks sits atop this white colored midsole, and then flipping the shoe over to the bottom, here we have an all black rubber outsole, which has a circular traction pattern on the forefoot, and we have this exposed foam in the middle, which is this red part right here, and it has Nike SB embossed in the center.